Alright, so hello everyone. I have returned for a nice unboxing video for you guys right here. Even though I posted yesterday, I returned. So, in this video, let me see, is my blade somewhere? Yes, it is. I have a big package, which is actually not that big at all. So, look at how big this thing is. Believe me or not, in here is 2 engines. Yes. You might be thinking, why the hell do you have such a big package for only 2 engines? That's also what I'm wondering. So, it's big, bruh. There's only 2 engines in here. I mean, how? How does that work? Anyways, let's just get straight into it. These are both 2 childhood engines for me. So, it's nice to take a look at them. And having bought them, in this case again, or having bought a replacement for the one that I had when I was younger. Look at this. And this is all just paper right here. First bit of paper. Second bit of paper. It's all just paper from here on, I think. There's the 2. Is it all paper? Yes, it is. So this is technically useless now. Over here we have, I think you can already see, it's a Timothy and a Salty. I'll start off with Timothy, because why not? Okay, let's take a look here. So, Trackmaster 2 Timothy was my first ever Trackmaster that I had ever bought. Ever, in my whole entire life. So, and I ruined mine. So, that's why I bought a new one. Because I had ruined mine so badly, and I already have plans as to what I'm gonna do with Timothy, and I already have a chassis fitted for him as well. I'll take these out and put in some new ones. So what I've done is I have modified the wheels on my older Timothy chassis to be able to run on Tomy tracks. So that's adding Tomy traction tires on there. And my old Timothy shell, I'm not sure if I'm gonna show them in this video, if I don't forget, that is. If I do forget, you know that he's not in here. But if I don't forget, then you'll see that he just looks like a whole heap of junk. Because I drew on him with Sharpie in basically every single spot there is. So now having a new Trackmaster Timothy is just peak, because yeah, this is my first ever Trackmaster 2 that I ever had, so he holds a lot of memories. Second of this guy, we have Tomy Salty. Oh wow, this is OG right here, because I also used to have a Tomy Salty, as you might know. I'd gotten him from a friend who lives in London. No, actually he does not live in London, he just lives in England. What am I saying? But yeah, I sold that Salty, so I don't have that one anymore. But now I have a new one. This is a Tomy. It's got a bit of paint damage, also on the roof, some scratches, and like, see, you cannot see, I think, what number that is. Is that a 2? The 2, and on this side, the 2 9s. Wow, hey, look at that. He runs nicely. All right, let's take a look at the inside of him. Okay, we take this battery out. We plop in a completely new one. Look at that, I just have new batteries laying all around, man. And so Salty was also an engine that I had very great and fond memories of. This is definitely one that I thought that I was still missing from my earlier days. Yeah, Tomy Salty is just peak as well. I mean, how can you go wrong with this man? He's a great runner, as you can see. Runs fantastic. Mine always had a weird way that you had to open him, but this one, of course, now it doesn't. So, why doesn't he just go in? Come on. Come on, young man, give me a second right here. Okay, there we go. It took me a minute. Figure it out, but yeah, Salty. He sounds great and he looks great. I just know that this is going to be a great runner. He is a bit noisy. But to be honest, I don't really care. So I would say, let's take these two up to the layout right now. I'm going to put Timothy on the other chassis so that you guys see how that works. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so here we are. Look at Salty. He's got 2 trucks and a tar tanker, and Timothy has 2 cattle cars. Look, see, there's him with his Tomy wheels that I've just swapped out. Here's my original Timothy. I mean, oh my goodness. Yeah, that's something happened to him. So what I wanted to go for was I gave him a weathered look. In my eyes, I said weathered, but he actually just looks like shit. That's just what it comes out of. But so I gave him the new Timothy's chassis, and now he's that. So there you go. All right, so I think it's only fair to give these two a nice run now. I'm going to set Salty off on Frankie. And Timothy can just go already. No, got stuck. Shows how good this works. I'm kidding. There he goes. Nice. Catch up with him in a second. Here's Salty. Oh, wow. This guy is off. And there's Timothy. Oh no. I heard what just happened. Salty has pushed down a riser. I need to fix that real quick. Alright. So look at Timothy over back here with his... Oh my god, that focus is crazy. What's wrong with you? There he goes. Over the hill. Look, see, with those Tomy traction tires, he's able to do that. And over back here is Salty. Look at that young man. Yarg me aunties. Nice. Now let's get a shot of Salty leaving the docks. Holy peak, Salty and the docks. I need to see this. Go, 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 bro. There he goes. Oh, nice, man. So I'm really happy with this lot. This cost me 26 euros or something like that. You know, worth it. Every penny. So Timothy was, I think, 11. And Salty was 12. Or it could be the other way around. I'm not sure. But, yeah, and then a little bit of shipping. And then further, they were just perfect. So, I'm gonna end the review off right here. It was great receiving these engines. I'm really happy with both of them because they both just look fantastic. And I have a lot of childhood memories with these two, so that's also a big factor that played. So. Yeah, I want to say have a nice weekend actually, since today's Thursday. And I will see you guys in the next one. See ya. Bye bye.